In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome to join Monopoly Go, friend code sharing groups, share your link, and track your progress as new users sign up. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and make sure your internet connection is stable. Using Chrome is helpful because it makes it easy to browse different communities, switch between tabs, and keep track of the pages you visit. Once Chrome is open, go to the platform or websites where Monopoly Go players usually gather to exchange friend codes. Take a moment to look for active groups that are specifically focused on friend code sharing, since those are the best places to find people who are actually interested in connecting. As you join these groups, pay attention to the group rules and posting guidelines. Some communities allow direct link sharing right away, while others may prefer short introductions or specific post formats. Following those rules will help your post stay visible and improve your chances of getting useful responses. It also helps you come across as genuine rather than spammy, which is especially important in busy sharing communities. Once you're inside the right groups, the next step is to distribute your link to new users who are looking for connections. When you share it, keep your message simple and clear so people immediately understand what it is for. A short, friendly post usually works best. Try to place your link where new users are most likely to see it, whether that's in a comment thread, a dedicated sharing post, or a recent discussion where people are actively exchanging codes. If allowed, posting at times when the group is active can also improve visibility. After your link has been shared, the final part is to verify your progress as invited users complete registration. This means checking the relevant area in your app, account, or referral tracking section to confirm whether new signups have been recorded. Give it a little time, since updates are not always immediate. If you don't see progress right away, refresh the page or check again later before assuming something went wrong. As you monitor results, stay organized. It can help to remember which groups you've posted in so you can focus on the ones that bring the best response. This makes your efforts more efficient and avoids unnecessary repeat posting. By using Chrome to find active Monopoly, Go friend code sharing groups, posting your link clearly, and checking your registration progress carefully, you'll create a simple process that's easy to repeat whenever you want to reach more users.